welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy Manzano for those of you that don't know me and for those of you that are new to my channel. So today I have a little tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be curling my hair with the wand, with the Pretty in a Minute one that that you guys saw in one of my other videos. I did a little haul on those implements. So yeah, and I'm going to be using the 1/2" rod on my hair, so it's going to give me like more tight curls. My hair is wavy a little, so I want to see how my hair looks with like tighter curls, I guess. And if you guys are interested in watching the video, continue watching, and if you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe down below, and yeah, and don't forget to like the video. So yeah, we're gonna get right into the video, and like I said, I'm gonna be using the 1/2" curling wand. And in my previous video I showed you guys the other sizes, which is the 1" and the 2" wands, and you guys can go check that video out if you guys didn't see it. And I have mine on the 350 degrees, so I don't want to use the 450 on my hair, and I'm using the 1/2" for a curler, for a tighter curl. So yeah, and real quick, I'm gonna spray the heat protectant, and then I have the coconut oil just to put once I'm done on my hair. Okay. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna spray the heat protectant just on here. Okay. And I'm gonna section my hair. So I'm gonna section it off at the bottom, clip it, or not. Okay, clip it. Okay, now I'm gonna start working with this section real quick. And you want to take small sections, honestly, so. And then you're just gonna take the wand and curl the hair on the wand. Not good. They're funny. Okay. And I'm not putting it close to the scalp because I'm honestly scared that I'm gonna burn myself. So okay. Well, that one didn't even come out. I left it on there long enough. Oh, my section is just too big. Section. This is actually pretty hard because I don't know, I don't really do this in my hair, so, and it's so small, so you have to be careful not to burn yourself. I should just use like the 2" or the what's it called, the 1" for like the beachy curls or whatever. These are tight curls, and I am not really liking them. Maybe in other people. To show you guys how it looks, I guess, or how or like how the if it's I don't know why I'm laughing. I guess I'm just like testing the the tools. I should have done it on my mannequin, honestly. Make them look cuter. I don't know how I'm gonna get to the back of my head. Maybe once it's like all done, it might look better. Right now I'm like, why am I doing this? They're bouncy, look at that. Ooh. Like I said, I'm not going close to my scalp because I don't want to burn myself. Because I can't see what on the back of my head, so it may look somewhat messy. Don't judge. Alternating the way I'm curling the hair, so like I'll go to the left and then I'll go to the right, just to make it look a little bit more natural, I guess. And I'm leaving it on there for like 10 seconds. Not that long. I feel like I would like these if someone else did them on me, or if I did them on someone else, because I can't, I don't know. Okay, so we're finally at the last little section. Okay, so this has been a long process, man. I'm over it. Okay, last one. Honestly, I feel like this last section was the hardest to do because I don't want to burn myself, so I'm just doing it. Okay. Okay. So, I'm done with them. And I guess the only thing I really need to retouch on is like the ends. But I feel like if I did this on someone else, they would look way better. But I did it on myself, so they kind of look weird, honestly. I don't know how to feel about them. I don't really like them that bad. No. I mean, I guess. I mean, the wand does a really good job with like curling them, and I honestly feel like I missed some sections. But it's because I couldn't really get the back that well because I can't see back there. But I guess for like volume, just so like up here. But they're pretty. I mean, they're really pretty. I feel like they would be cute for like those quinceañera looks, for those updos. When you want like tight curls. But I guess just run your fingers through them, maybe. No, don't do that. But I feel like I would wear this, clip it back, and put a clip on it, and just wear it like this. Wait. Yeah, like the styling it. I wouldn't wear it like this, because I feel like it's too like puffy, like too bushy. So I would like do like little twisties right here, like this. Get this side and do little twisties as well. And here's what I have, but with a cuter one, with a cuter little butterfly clip or an elastic, clip it back, and then just have it for like the volume of it. There. That's my dog. It's okay. They are pretty. Yeah. I like the tool. And like I said, I would like to do it on someone else, or like on a mannequin head. But yeah, like I said, I would definitely do these on someone else, like on a friend or on a mannequin head. But on myself, I would like for someone else to do it on me because they are pretty and they are like really voluminous. They make your hair look fuller. I like them. But yeah, I would like for someone else to do it on me, or me do it on someone else, or like I said, on a mannequin head. But I do recommend the tools. They serve the purpose. Next time I feel like definitely I'll use like the inch one or the 2-inch wand. These are super tight. Like I said, these are perfect for like updos and stuff like that, I guess, if you're looking for that tight curl. But yeah, that's gonna be it. I hope you guys liked the tutorial. Somewhat. This one was a little messy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video next week. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on how to wand your hair with the half-inch wand. Yeah, like I said, I I like it for like a little ponytail too. But yeah, if you guys haven't subscribe down below, like the video, dislike it if you guys didn't like it, comment down below for any suggestions, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week.